Pinoy Schoolway, Alex looks downhearted as some students whisper and point. Bullying is unwanted behavior that makes others feel scared, sad, or unsafe. It happens when someone teases, threatens, or excludes others. Mia noticed Alex upset and approached to offer support.
Hey Alex, you're not alone. Let's down each other.
Jake, scrolling on his phone, sees an unverified message and shares it eagerly. Fake news is false or misleading information shared online that can confuse and harm people. Teacher addressing the class.
Okay class, always check where news comes from and verify facts before sharing.
School assembly scene with group of students and teacher. Against bullying, stop the spread of fake news, report bullying, think twice before you share.